Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how this side hustle can generate you an extra $1,000 a month and the exact blueprint you need to follow so you can actually do that in the next 30 days. Whether you work full-time, are a beginner, have never traded options before, whatever, this is the video for you. Anyways, to prove it to you here, you can see here that in the last 30 days on my broker account, it says I made $2,700. Now again, if you subtract commissions and fees, I'm about $2,500 this month. And this is a very slow month because I've been traveling and haven't actually placed many trades. And because of that, I'm still able to generate well over the $1,000 a month. But not only that, but so many of our members with smaller accounts are able to do this as well. All right, so let's dive into what you actually need to know to get this party started. First off, I'm giving you two free incredible resources linked down below. So first is the Credit Spreads Trading Handbook, which we'll be walking through in this video. This is the guaranteed blueprint that will help you profit. Why? Because it shows you exactly what to do step by step for different strategies and shows you the backtest to prove it works and other things like that. Not only that, inside my Credit Spreads paid program, I have what is known as a weekly trading plan, and I'm actually going to give you access to this for free down in the description below as well. I will share this Google Doc with you, and we're going to walk through exactly what you need to do every single week so that you can generate $1,000 every single month. Now, let's dive into the specifics here. First and foremost, we need a chart. We need to look at something. So what we're going to do is we can either go to tradingview.com, which is what this website is. You can go to your broker. You can go to whatever it is. I need you to add a simple indicator that can be found on almost any charting platform. Go into indicators and add the Bollinger Band. So the Bollinger Band's right here. Now again, this is a great approximation for an indicator that I program that all my members get access to. This is a great way to follow it if you don't have access to that indicator. You can see here the impeccable stock band. Anyways, we need to make some adjustments though. We need to go into settings. We need to change the length from 20 to 200, and we need to change the standard deviation to 1. Okay, now what exactly does doing this show? Okay, well, when we're looking at this, what it shows us is a normal distribution curve of the stock's price. So for instance, we're on the S&P 500 or ETF symbol SPY, and what this shows is when the stock is above this top blue line, the market is trending higher. We are in an official uptrend. Momentum's moving higher, higher highs, higher lows, all that happens above this blue line. Now vice versa. If the stock goes below the bottom blue line, we're in a downtrend. We have down moving momentum, down moving strength. We have lower lows and lower highs. That's what it's showing. Number 2, or 3, I should say, we have up, we have down, and then we have in the middle of this band. When we're in the middle of this band, it's known as a sideways or neutral market. When we're in that kind of market, anything can happen. You can see here up, down, up, down, up, down. Way more choppiness happens when you're inside of this range because there is no clear direction. Okay, so once we're able to divide the market up into different segments, uptrending, sideways, downtrending, then we're able to use the appropriate strategy to capitalize on this. And using this Bollinger Band setup, we can do so quickly and predictably because we always know instead of having to go draw out lines and chart everything. Instead, it shows us right now it's above bullish, in the middle neutral, below bearish. All right, cool. So once we know all that, we're going to come in here and take advantage. So let's say, for instance, today is a day that you get into your platform to place a trade. Okay, cool. What you're going to do is you're going to notice, okay, it's above this line, so we're bullish. What is our bullish strategy? Well, if I go here, our bullish strategy is the turtle strategy, our neutral strategy is the squirrel strategy, and our bearish strategy is the short play. Now again, we're right now in an uptrend, so we're going to go to the turtle strategy. Right here, you can say the strategy is the bullish one for uptrending markets. Again, so that's kind of what we're seeing. Now, what is our requirements? Well, we want it to be above here based on the band that I give my members. But again, this approximation with the Bollinger Band is good enough. So if it's above that, then we can determine our short strike price and our expiration date. Let's start off with the short strike price. So again, when we're trading credit spreads, all credit spreads are is a bet that the stock will stay above a certain level. So that is the option strategy that we're taking advantage of for these strategies, is credit spreads. And how that works is like this. You're saying, I think the stock will stay above this level. As long as the stock stays above this level by the date you selected, then you get to make money. If it goes below and stays below it by a certain date, then you lose money. All a credit spread is a bet that a stock will stay above a certain level. And so again, when you follow this approach, you'll have about a 90 to 95% win rate on being able to pick the best bet. So again, you will lose a bit, but you're going to win so much more often that it's going to outweigh your losses. So that's kind of how it does. But how do we pick this level? How do we know what level to bet on that the stock will stay above? Well, right here it tells you. Determine your strike price, the one that you want it to stay above, by taking the close price and multiplying it by 97%. Okay, cool. Let's dive in here. What's the current price? 45525. So 45525. Now we're going to do that by 97%. That gives us 441.59. We're going to round to the nearest whole number is 442. So that means that the level I'm picking is 442. That means that I'm going to sell the 442 put, and I'm going to buy the one right under it, the 441. So I'm going to sell 442 and buy 4441. If you've never placed a credit spread trade before, I have YouTube videos that lay out exactly how to place credit spread trades for different brokers, so you can walk through that video. Again, that's all on my YouTube channel. But for the point of this video, we're just going to continue on. That is how you set up that one. Now, what is our expiration date? How long out are we wanting this trade to go on? We're going to take the current date, we're going to add 12 days, then we're going to round up to the next Friday. And because I am absolutely terrible with dates, we're just going to do that here. So 25 plus 12. So if we add, let's see, it's going to take about 7 days to get to August 1st. So that's going to leave, let's see, we need 12 days, 3, 5, 5. So the 5th. So that gives us a Saturday for 12 days right here. Gives us August 5th. But again, we need to go to the next Friday. So that's not this. This is the previous Friday. So the 11th. So that means that we'll be targeting an August 11th expiration date. Okay, cool. August 11th. Check. Okay, now that we have all that done, we know the strike prices we're going for, we know our expiration date. Now we're going to go into our broker, set this trade up, selling the 442, buying the 441, and going to the expiration date of August 11th. That means that we're going to hope to aim and get a roughly 12 to 15% credit. If we can collect a 15-cent credit or even more, that would be amazing. But if we can collect a credit around there, then this is a perfect trade that's going to help us make money long term. Why? Well, because of long-term probabilities, right? You can see here that this strategy right here has a 95% win rate. Let's say you're not able to do it perfectly and only get a 92% win rate off of it. Well, let's say you're trying to collect 15 cents per trade. This is called long-term expectancy calculation. It shows you how much money you'll make based on your win rate and how much you win. So again, right here we see that we're going to have a long-term expectancy of $700. Why? Well, because if you win 92% of the time and you collect 15 cents for each spread, that means you're going to lose 8% of the time, and you're going to lose this amount each time. So that's going to give you, again, if we make it whole numbers here where we round up to the 100s, because that's how much each option's actually represented, then you can see here $700 is our long-term outcome after 100 trades. We're going to make money long-term. It's guaranteed. That's why I call this a guaranteed blueprint. All right. And again, not only has this been proven since 2005 via our back test, but also my members and I are doing it every single week. Anyways, so simply all you do is you go, what market phase are we in? You go to this trading plan and you help you execute based on if it's uptrending, downtrending, or sideways. You pick the strategy that matches, you follow the steps, you place the trade, boom, set it and forget it. If you want to learn more about exit rules and stuff, I have videos on that, but it's also included down here, trade sizing and exit rules all on this PDF, which is you can get for free down below. Anyways, what is the weekly trading plan? How can we do this week in and week out to generate $1,000 in the next 30 days? Well, number one, we need to be going over the Trade Ideas algo, which is the algo that I put together that looks through the strategies here and actually lays out the trades for us, for my members. Now, again, this program is open right now, but it will be closing soon, so you can actually check that out down below. But if you want to replace this because you don't want to check out this amazing credit spread Trade Ideas algo that helps you find trades instantly, well, then all you need to do is follow the process that I showed you in the first part of this video. Go here, understand what phase you're in, follow the strategy, boom, that's what it's saying here. If you can follow the strategy and collect the minimum credit, good. That's the first step. Number two, if the market has dropped, now you know it's a great time to enter put credit spread trades. So let's say it's trending up and you have a red day. That should be an indication that now is a good time to put on trades. Versus vice versa. If we're trending down and you see a green day, you should know now's a good time to put on call credit spread trades. Okay? That's kind of the game plan. So again, market drop, market went up, whatever. Next, the goal is to place 2 trades a week. If you can place 2 trades a week, following the 10% rule, you're going to make roughly 5 to 10% every single month. So if you can put on 2 trades a week, that's your whole goal. Your whole goal every single week to be follow this game plan and put on 2 trades. If you can put on 2 trades every single week, you are going to make 5 to 10% of your total account value. You're going to grow it. So that is the whole goal here. Again, we have members in our program who actually lose 2 trades and still end up with a 10% month. So it is completely possible to do this. And so again, let's say you're trading a $10,000 account. You make 10% in your first 30 days. That's $1,000 in your first 30 days. If not, if you have less than $10,000, still making 5 to 10% is what most people strive for in a single year, and you're able to do it in a month using set it and forget it strategies so that you can put on these trades, forget it, and move on with work, life, family, etc. Next, spend 2 minutes a day checking your current trades and see if any fit early exit rules to get out of trades. Next, optionals, participate in the Discord group chat and weekly group coaching calls. But again, that's purely for our program. Again, the program is open right now. So if you want to learn more about that, click down below. I only open the program for 4 days a month so that you guys get the chance to join. Then I spend the rest of the month, the rest of the days of that month dedicating my time and attention to my members and assuring they have success. So if you want someone who is on your side to help you profit with credit spreads, I am your guy. Check out the program below before it closes. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. My name is Austin, and I help you learn more about credit spreads by posting videos every single day to help give you an edge. All right, guys, if you want that, click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.